today we're going to do a blind bag unboxing, and this one is one I picked up today in Forbidden Planet. A trip to the Forbidden Planet in Liverpool, just have a look around, and I saw this and thought this looked quite cute. So this is an Aliens series by Titans, and this is the Game Over collection, and you can get various different ones, including, which I thought was quite interesting, an APC, Armoured Personnel Carrier. Hatching Xenomorph is a bit weird, but the rest seem quite nice. The mystery ones are Bishop, although there is another Bishop, so presumably Bishop ripped in half or something, and then various different Xenomorphs. How do you know which one you've got? Don't know. So the most boring one probably to get will be the egg, which is probably what we'll get in here, because that's how it works. So let's have a look. Open this from the bottom. Interesting. Held together with tape, but that looks like how it was done originally. This has been opened. This is a returned one. Forbidden Planet. I think we've opened them and took out all the rare ones. That's a bit naughty. So this is open. Let's see who we've got. Oh well, we've got a Ripley, so I'm happy with that. That's not a bad likeness. Might either cast it or repaint it, and you get a little pulse rifle and flamethrower combination. That's nice. That's almost better than the figure. Yeah, so that's quite nice. Now that is a bit naughty of Forbidden Planet, so I reckon they've opened all of these and probably took out the rare ones to sell, which that's really, really naughty, so shame on you, Forbidden Planet Liverpool. Not good. Well, thanks for watching. If you want to see more of these videos, please like and subscribe. I've got quite a bit of alien collectibles. I might give you a quick tour of my alien shelf if you want to see it, so let's do that now. So this is my display cabinet. So I've got an alien shelf, Doctor Who, Star Trek, Thunderbirds and Captain Scarlet, and Space 1999 on the bottom. So let's have a look at the alien part. Just go through it. There's nothing really rare, but some unusual stuff. So at the back we've got the reaction figure line. So I've got the range of there, and then we've got some larger, more detailed figures. That's a Ripley I repainted. That's a Ripley I haven't painted. And then you've got things like a Loot Crate exclusive writing pad, weird things like that. Some little Lego Alien and Ripley figures. I think they were from Wish. Xenomorph. Then you've got the hissing. If I remember how it works, there's a button on it somewhere. This is the run-in press. You get a little booklet and a little. I think the battery's gone flat. It's meant to hiss. Yeah, I think the batteries are flat. Oh well, let's have a look at that because he's now making a horrible noise. These were the little resin figures available in the 80s. These are the original ones I've had for years. You've got some little figures I made up myself. Brett and Parker, and also astronaut figures. I used to sell them under the IMAR label. Not many of them about, I don't think. These are the figures from the playset that was available a little while back. And I painted a few of those. Those paint up really nicely. And then also, what's quite nice is Aliens Colonial Marines Loot Crate exclusive. Oh no, Sci-Fi Block, this one, not Loot Crate. Green Army Men, but Colonial Warriors, Colonial Marines, like Battlestar Galactica, and Aliens. Which I keep meaning to take these out and paint them as well. So they were nice. But yeah, so a little alien shelf, and I think the new one will go on that quite nicely. Well, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll see you again next time. Thanks then. Bye.